Hi, my name is Aimee Willmott and I'm a Team GB international swimmer. I recently won gold at the Commonwealth Games in the women's 400 individual medley. I'm here today with simplyswim to teach you how to use your training fins. The first step when selecting your training fins is to make sure they fit correctly. Your toes shouldn't be hanging over the edge. If you are using fins for the first time, they may feel unfamiliar in the pool. Practice getting used to these by just splashing about a little bit. The most common fault people make when using fins is they forget to flick their ankles. Just because you have fins on your feet doesn't mean this should change in your full stroke swimming. Fins are a great use to help with all parts of your swimming. They help with strength of the legs and, more importantly, when you are doing drill work. Fins are also great for young children, as when they are younger and learning to swim, they often have weak legs, which makes focusing on the arms very difficult. Adding some fins takes off the pressure and helps with their upper body stroke. This is also useful if you're a first-time swimmer, no matter what age. Grab a pair of fins and get going. Fins are also a great training aid to use when working on your fly technique, especially with the kicking. If you have weak legs or a weak kick, when you place the fins on your feet, you tend to open your knees to the side. This is a no-go. Make sure when you are using the fins correctly, your feet are flicking up towards the ceiling and down towards the floor. This keeps your knees in line with the rest of your legs and ensures a really good quality fly kick. This is also useful when you're working on your underwater fly kick, which is useful when you're working on your turns. As you get older and more elite, like swimmers my age, you can use fins to work on your overspeed. This is a drill where you swim faster than you would without your fins on. So you put maximum effort in, and with the fins you swim faster than normal. This then helps when you take them off, you feel faster and you are able to hold the technique while swimming slower. I hope you found this how to use your training fins guide useful. Leave us a comment below and let us know how you get on. Head over to simplyswim.com where there are a large selection of fins for you to choose from. Grab yourself a pair and get going.